So, next is part 2, conditional statements. First is leap year checker. Dito, pinapa-input natin si user ng year. So, kailangan, ang i-input ni user na year is divisible by 4 or divisible by 400 para ma-check niya kung leap year yan. Kapag divisible by 100 naman, ang ipiprint niya is not a leap year. So, next is triangle type identifier. Dito, pinapa-input natin si user ng tatlong side 1, side 2, side 3. So, itong if statement na to, chine-check na to kapag yung in-input daw ni user na side is makakabuo ng triangle. So, kapag nag-true yun, proceed sa next. If S1 is equals to S2 and S2 is equals to S3, ang ipiprint niya daw is equilateral. Kapag yung S1 naman is equals to S2 or yung S2 is equals to S3 or yung S1 is equals to S3, ipiprint niya is isosceles. Else, ang ipiprint naman niya is kalin. Itong else dito sa pinakababa, kapag nag-input si user ng at hindi yun nakabuo ng triangle, ang ipiprint niya is not a valid triangle. So last is number comparison game. Dito pinapa-input natin si user ng tatlong number, num1, num2, num3. So kapag yung num1 daw is greater than or equal kay num2, and yung num1 is greater than or equal to num3, ang largest daw doon ay num1. So next is kung num2 daw is greater than or equal to num1 and num2 is greater than or equal to num3, ang largest doon is num2. So else, ang largest is num3. Dito, ipiprint niya the largest number is, so para malaman kung ano yung pinakamalaking number, i-call out lang natin yung ginamit nating variable which is yung largest. So, ito siya yung paano siya makuha, yung even or odd. Kapag yung largest number daw is divisible by 2, ipiprint niya is even. So kapag hindi naman siya divisible by 2, ang ipiprint niya is odd.